Hey everybody, this is GRKeeper99OH here. So today I'm going to teach you how to solve a Rubik's Cube with one hand. Or turn a Rubik's Cube, that doesn't really matter to me. So, let's learn. So to hold the cube is you have to hold the cube is you hold it with 3 fingers, which is your pointer finger and your ring finger and your thumb. Why I said thumb for last, because it's not a finger. So to hold the cube, you replace it with these 3 blocks. This 2 by 1 block right here, and for the back, you hold it from this edge piece and this edge piece to maintain stability. And everything else. Stand on the side. R prime moves is basically same thing. I used to do this, not anymore since I'm a lot advanced now. So R's is just pushing this sticker right here, just push from the back. Some people like to do this, I don't know why. So just do that. And for R primes, some people like to go underneath and just do that. That's just too inefficient, and I don't know why I did R right there. And just a hassle to like but I like doing this. So R primes require to push with a lot of flexibility. Like my finger right here is used to be like, I couldn't able to do it because my finger wasn't flexed enough. It takes practice, so it just just put your finger all the way back here and then just push. Just push. Just push. And for you, just push the sticker right here. For U primes, just push the sticker right here. It's also fine if you do this. It's the same speed. Laser Monkey do that, and he's quite fast. But I request you guys can do this. Whatever floats your boat, doesn't really matter. Okay, and also R primes, you double flick. I don't do this. It just requires me to just not. I just don't like it. Okay, U2s for U2s. You can do it. It's just you. It's just. Alright, I'm just a little flustered today. Just you, and then use your middle finger to push it again. Okay, so and B prime, you just rotate. Just rotate, and then rotate, and then do it like U. Else, you move your thumb and have space, and move your others fingers to the other side too, to make sure you can do the O primes and U primes. And also M's, table fortunate ain't good for me. I I don't like it necessarily, so I don't think it's necessary to table abuse it. Some root solvers can do it. I can't do it. I'm not a root solver. I'm a CFOP solver. So yeah. And what I'm missing, D. Just do it with your ring finger, and D primes. D primes, you just do it with your pinky. D primes. So yeah, so basically that's about it for this OH tutorial. I'll turn it one-handed, so I'm gonna leave here with a solve. So bye.